Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign up to Kikoff account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then, on the address bar, search for kikoff.com. When you land on the official website, on the top right corner, you will see Sign Up button. Simply click on it. Now, here you have to fill out this form to create your account. Or you can also tap on Continue with Google option available there. For now, we are using email option. First of all, you have to enter your email address. Then, enter your password. Now you have to accept all of the terms and conditions by simply clicking on that button. At last, tap on Sign Up button to create your account. Then a verification mail will be sent to your email address. Just check your mail and confirm it. In this way, you can easily create an account in Kikoff. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.